Do you have any
I'm
weapons
ready
on
on
you?
a ride.
Hey, do you have any weapons on you? No? Bring your hands back.
You want to play?
I'm not messing with you. I'm asking you what's going on.
On March 14th, 2024, officers were called to a Walmart following reports of a customer causing a disturbance. As officers arrived, the customer began contacting dispatch, claiming the store manager was threatening her. What follows next will shock you.
Email?
Other people. I like it.
Okay, you called the cops. I'm here. What's going on?
Thank you. Come on. These people surrounded me. I don't care who does dope. I don't play games.
Okay, so what is going on? That's what I'm asking you.
These people here, he does
Okay,
dope.
can you
Don't
start? Okay, listen. You called me for help.
Oh, you're gonna play that?
What is going on? That's what I'm asking you. I just didn't want to be in the corner, okay? That's all I'm saying.
Yeah.
Is to step out of the door.
Yeah. You want to play?
Listen.
Do you want to be drug tested?
Okay. Stop. Stop. Stop!
Bitch!
Nice officer, step it up. Stop! 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 Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Stop! Stop!
Bitch!
Stop! Stop!
Motherfucker!
Stop!
Try me!
Stop!
Try.
Stop!
Try me!
Stop!
Try me!
Stop! Stop!
Bitch!
Get on your fucking stomach! Stop!
Bitch!
Stop!
Beat your ass!
Stop!
I'll beat your ass!
Stop!
I'll beat your
Stop resisting! Stop resisting!
All right, roll over. Roll over.
Stop! Get off my fucking radio!
Roll over.
Get off my fucking hand! Stop!
Pull your hand out.
Oh, yes. You guys are heroin addicts and drug dealers.
Stop!
Well, you are. Fucking,
You are under arrest!
come on. Try me, bitch. I'll have you in jail tonight. You don't need help. You motherfucker.
Look at with her. No. Get stop! I think it's quick.
Motherfucker. I got you. Bitch, what?
Stop!
Not.
Bitch. Try me.
We're in the main entrance. You got it.
Good, you got a customer.
right.
You say fucking drug addicts. Undercover.
Stop!
Is there anything on you we can know about?
Fucking undercover bitches.
Is there anything that's going to hurt us, poke us, stick us on you?
Oh no.
Any weapons?
Nope.
What's your name?
Nothing but nice shit. Go ahead. Here's another one. Fucking niggers.
All right, are you going to sit up for us, or are you going to give us more problems?
Fuck
This is how it
you.
instantly started.
Fuck you too, bitch.
All right.
Try to fuck my car.
No.
Motherfucker.
Stop! 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 Go get a hobble! Go get a hobble!
They're fucking drugs.
Any weapons?
Got no fucking weapons.
Stop!
I got
Stop
fucking
resisting!
I
Relax.
got fucking bitches. I got motherfucking hands. I don't need you fucking judges. I'll fucking help turn around, help you around, and he's just a fucking. That's a good. I like it like that. Bitch.
Stop! No, it's gotta.
Twisted?
Yeah. You have a hobble on as well. Stop! Stop! Okay.
Oh yeah.
You ready? Roll your other side.
On the right side. All right, we'll do it for you then.
I ain't gonna do shit for anybody.
Sit up.
You want to do shit?
Stay like this.
I'm gonna do shit. I'll fucking rip you apart.
Stand her up and take her out to the car. 1, 2, 3.
You're fucking.
Alright.
Fucking drug dealers. They're all drug dealers.
Got her legs? Yep.
Fuck you.
Got my
Fucking drug
I just
dealers.
went in, I get the door.
I'll fuck you all up, drug dealers.
Car
Fuck
12.
you.
Car 12, that's mine.
Fuck you, undercover. Don't try me.
Yep.
Fuck you. I tried to help her. Go ahead.
Undo that buckle. Undo that buckle. Is that her phone?
Yeah, it's all shit in there.
Over on the other side. Motherfucking undercovers. You're fucking drug dealing crap. You're all undercovers. You don't know shit up. Motherfuckers. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
You made her.
I don't think so. I wanted her to move out of the corner, and I was like, just move over here. And I was like, I'm here to help you. I'm here to help you. But she was like, you want to go? You want to fucking go? So I'm like, nope, I'm not going to wait to get hit in the face. So she was the first caller. So she's on the phone in there. That's why I asked them if it was a female, because she was standing right side of the doors. And I was like, I'm here to help, you know, I'm here for you or whatever. And she was like, oh, they think I'm on drugs and whatnot. And I was like, okay. Well, she had like backed me into where the corner of where that bench is inside and where the metal detector or whatever. So I just kind of like moved her out and I was like, hey, I just want to move out here, you know. And she was like, oh, we're gonna go, because I kind of like moved her out and I was like, I just didn't want to be in the corner. I'm here to help you. What can I do? And she was like, you want to go? And I was like, I'm here to help you. What do you need? And I was like, I'm here to help you. What do you need? She was like, oh, so you want to go? And then she just like kept looking at me and kept telling me that. And I was like, so I grabbed her to just go ahead and put her in cuffs because I didn't know what she was doing. And then it turned into a...
Look at me. Just want to make sure you get hit over here.
Oh no, she kicked me or hit me in the face, but...
Oh. So I asked you if anybody got hit.
You said, does anybody need medics?
Oh, sorry.
No, I don't need medics.
So,
I'm going to get an ice pack.
Yeah, at least.
so
And then DOC, it sounds like you got probably DOC.
I didn't even-
Violent, turbulent behavior just based on.
I didn't even get to
resisting arrest. I'll start writing up a resisting arrest charge so that way we can get her put straight down to the clerk so we can expedite it then.
Okay.
And I think that's going to be a 2-officer.
Yes.
I was gonna say,
I can go with it.
Yeah.
It's your car, right?
she's in here.
I'll start filling out the resisting and then...
Hello.
My name's Sergeant Jackson.
Hi, Sergeant Jackson.
So, walk me through your interaction with my officer today. Kind of explain what happened.
What would you like?
Start from the beginning. When my officer got on scene, what happened?
Oh, I took my girlfriend and to get a couple of things so we could feed everybody
Okay.
and get everybody well. Okay.
To get everybody what? I'm sorry.
Well.
Okay.
Well.
Not feeling well then, I take it.
They weren't.
Okay. Okay.
I had them all well, though.
You had them all well?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because nobody wanted to ask.
Okay. I'm concerned about the interaction that you had with my officer, though. So kind of talk to me once the officer got there and you were talking to her. What happened? Is there a reason why you were fighting with my officer?
Where's 4 of you?
No, I'm asking you why it took 4 of them to get you restrained.
I'm asking you that.
Well, no, like,
No,
why did they have to restrain you in the first place? First of all, you know why?
I don't care.
Okay.
Because
So
that's
basically,
fine.
what I'm getting now is you don't want to talk to me about your interaction with my officer.
Why?
Well, because that's my job to investigate the use of force and what came to that. You know what I mean? I want to know why you and my officers had to fight.
Well, none of that happened.
You what? I'm sorry.
None of that happened.
Okay. All right. Well, I'll just take that as you don't want to talk to me then. Okay. All right.
Yep, just talk to her and see what she says.
I can go ahead and talk to
Present it as
manager.
far as.
Did you see
hey,
the
we're
manager
here
at
to
all?
help.
It was the
Why
light-skinned
were you so
black guy.
Okay.
He was standing in the
Inside, I think he has a brown shirt on.
Okay.
So he was about to jump on me in Bogans. He kept saying, "Stop hitting her! Stop hitting her!"
This guy? In the gray.
Okay. Because
You got some ID, boss? Yeah. Behind your back, you're not under arrest right now, but I just want to make sure you don't have anything. Spread your legs apart. A little bit wider, please.
I'm waiting on the ride. I ain't nowhere
Who
with
are you
her.
waiting for the ride?
My brother, I just called him. I ain't nowhere with her. I'm innocent. I ain't nowhere with her. I swear to God I ain't. I ain't come in with her. Y'all can look at the camera and all that. I'm waiting on the ride.
the cameras. That's why we're out here.
Nah, I ain't come in with her.
All right, do you have some ID on you, bud? You don't have a driver's license or anything?
Not on me.
Not on you? All right, I'm going to have you have a seat right over here to your right on that little stoop. Just have a seat right there. There you go. Just keep your hands on your
Oh,
knees.
we all
for
got
me,
our
please.
notebooks out.
No.
Thank you.
All right, sir. What's your first name? Okay. So how'd you get here? All right.
Thank you.
My mama stay out here. I came out here to stay with my mama. I just came to the store for my ride. I'm innocent. I don't know that person at all.
Okay. So we were in there watching cameras, and the Walmart staff believed that you were talking that female are going to jump in and help
I
her.
ain't talked to her. You look at the camera. I ain't talked to her. Not. I don't know her.
So when we watch the cameras, is it going to show that you guys came together?
No. Watch the cameras. We ain't walking together or nothing.
Okay. So how did you get here?
I came here on the bus.
Okay.
And my brother about to pick me up and take me home.
What's your brother's name?
Marlon.
Marley?
Yeah.
What's his last name?
Rudolph.
Rudolph.
You don't know her at all?
I don't know her at all,
You
man.
saw what was going down in here, right?
Yeah, I did, but I don't know her. I promise I don't. I'm waiting on my ride right now. They on their way in 40 minutes.
40 minutes? All right, go ahead and stand up.
Stand up, man.
Turn around, put your hands behind your back. Go ahead. All right, Jamar. Before we ask you any questions, you must understand your rights. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You also have the right to stop answering at any time.
Nothing with that, though.
You also have the right to stop answering at any
Why
time.
would I
too,
stay
Dr.
here if I did something with that?
Okay. So we're verifying that right now. Do you think that's good?
Are you out parole violation out of Cincy? All right, cool. I appreciate your honesty, man.
Tell me my rights and nothing about why y'all stopped me. I ain't had none. Y'all said I had
You
something
just
to
read
do
you
with
your
that.
rights, and
But-
you were being detained. You weren't under arrest
No,
initially.
y'all said I had something to do with that situation. I
I
did.
was asking if you did.
Okay.
I didn't know.
And
You
can I get
suspected.
y'all name?
Huh?
Sure.
Can I get y'all name?
Yeah. Officer Shout.
I want all y'all names
Sure.
before I go in.
Okay. So now let's circle back to the beginning where you're saying you weren't with her. Obviously you
I
lied
wasn't
about
with
who
her.
you are.
I want it. I'm waiting on my ride. I caught my ride right now. They about to pull up. I came over here. I caught the bus, and I came over here. My ride about to pick me up. I ain't had nothing. I ain't come with, cause my sister on her way right now. I don't want her to come for nothing.
Copy.
Hey, Jamar.
I didn't.
I'm going to
check
have
her
you stand up. I'm
spacing.
going to help you, though. Ready?
I just threw him on real quick.
I just want to make sure. Yep. I just want to make sure these are tight and We can double lock them so they don't cinch down on your wrist. Your warrant for the parole violation was good.
Yep, we'll have it
all right?
right.
Do you understand that? All right.
All right, is this charger yours? Is that the one in there? The charger is yours?
Yeah, the phone is too. Can you call my sister and tell her I'm going to jail so she called my mama? That's the only number I got in that phone.
So what?
I'm telling you, man. Ain't none of that shit. Motherfuckers hacked me.
So the only name I see in there is Keys. Is that familiar?
Yeah, that's my sister.
Alright. What were you trying to get at, man?
I can't remember that. Like,
We can.
her name is something else. Her nickname is Keys.
Okay. Yeah, I didn't think that was her first name.
Nah. She supposed to be on her way right now.
We're going to switch sides.
Okay.
Can I get you to spread your right leg just a little bit? Thank you.
Yeah, we'll get seated in the car and then we'll work on that, okay?
Do you have anything in your socks, boss? Anything at all?
I ain't got none.
All right, we're going to check real quick, all right?
Just sit right here, kick your shoes off.
That's my cage. Nah, that shit.
Let me see this leg, man. Oh, you're working on that one?
I ain't got my mama number, man.
Open it
That's
up a little bit. Might be
crazy.
just a cigar, I don't know.
It didn't. It smelled like a cigar to me.
Is that all right? All right.
Thank you. Bro.
Yep, you got it. Watch your head, man, all right? Yeah, and then just keep the lighter. Yep, here, actually, anything else that'll be trapped in there. Oh,
Hey, real quick, Jamar, I'm just going to check your hoodie up here on the time. I know we didn't pull that down. So. Nothing back there? Alright. Hey, listen, I'd tell everybody this, alright, especially if they're getting ready to go to jail. If you got anything on you, it's just a little misdemeanor amount of stuff, let us know about it now so that way you don't get another felony taken in there.
I ain't do nothing. I wasn't even with them.
Well, you're not in trouble
Y'all
for that.
just pulled me over for y'all put me over for them. Y'all said the reason was because of them.
Well,
So,
right.
I gotta make it, I gotta make a reason. We ain't got no reason to pull me over in the first place.
we detained you just because there's the suspicion that you were because of the information
No.
that we had. And that may be the case. That may be the case. It's just unfortunate circumstance though, right? So at any rate,
I'm gonna make an example. I'm about to get a lawyer.
you're not in trouble for anything that happened in there, right?
Right. I ain't do nothing.
The only reason you're in
Right
handcuffs
on
is
the
because you got
ride.
that warrant, right?
But
So-
y'all stopped me over for no reason.
Real quick though, let me ask you that question again, okay? Because do you have anything that you shouldn't have? Do you have
I
anything
ain't got
in your
nothing.
underwear? And
The only thing I'm on a mission of is showing y'all for pulling me over.
that's fine.
for no
That's
reason.
fine. And
Yes,
that's fine.
yes, sir.
All right. All right. Aaron, excuse my reach again. I'm gonna put that seatbelt back on you, okay?
What did you think of this intense situation? How do you think the officers handled the scenario? We'd love to hear your thoughts, so make sure to drop a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on any future episodes. Stay safe and see you next time.